You have probably heard about apple cider vinegar and you have probably heard about its benefits. And I'm also sure that you have gone to the supermarket and looked at the price and it was ridiculously high. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to make apple cider vinegar from scratch. But what you need to have is patience because the whole of this process will take you about 2 months. And if you want to make it vizuri kabisa, it will take you around 3 months. So, but by the end of the first month, the cider will be ready to be consumed. Only that the more you leave it, the more it matures. It kind of works the same way like wine. So now to start with this video, you have seen I'm cutting the apples, but the first and very important step is to wash them. When you're washing your apples, make sure that you're using clean water because any form of impurity could cause molding in your batch when you're fermenting the apple cider vinegar. And then you need sugar and you also need water that is clean. So the sugar will help in the fermentation process. The sugar will help in the fermentation process. So I am trying out this method that I learned, that you use 1 cup of sugar in 1 cup of water. If you feel that is inadequate, then you can add some more. I'm also using 2 different types of apples for flavor. I also learned that when you use different apples, you get more flavorful cider. So this is what we are doing in this video. Also, if you don't know, in case you don't know, apple cider vinegar, you can actually use it. It has so many health benefits. Like it aids your digestion. It can also be used as a weight loss aid because of its acetic acid. So it can also now be used for digestion. Like if you have issues of bloating, this is one of those things that you can take before your meals to help you with digestion. And it's also an immune support. It means that like when you're fermenting any product that is fermented, it has probiotics, and it is proven that probiotics will help you in your gut health and immune function. And also for those ones who have locks, you see, one of the products that you use to remove buildup from your locks is apple cider vinegar. Because the white vinegar is a bit harsh, you're supposed to use apple cider vinegar, and it actually detoxifies your hair, especially if it's organically made. And also, yani, you can use it for so many things. You can use it even in your laundry, you can use it in cooking your food. So, apple cider vinegar has so many uses, and with some patience, you can make it by your own. In this process, just make sure that everything is clean so that you don't have rot and so that you don't have any molds. Of course, the solution will attract fruit flies. Make sure that you just change the cheesecloth in case it gets infested with fruit flies. And I am marking them so that I remember the date that I did the fermentation. And this is how it looks like after the first week. I'm so happy with the progress. I'll remove the discolored apples and I will wait now for the fermentation to continue taking place. I'll probably take out the apples next week and remain with the liquid and just allow it to continue fermenting over time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to try out this recipe and I hope you get to make your own raw and organic apple cider vinegar at home that you can use for the different functions. Bye and see you in my next video. Please remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe to this channel so that you get to see more homemade recipes like this. God bless you so much and see you in my next video.